Noreen Miliano, the chairman. Our vice chairman is Ma'am Abigail Crisostomo, and the MBO secretary, yours truly, Ma'am Delda Dilmore. So we started the transmission. Out of the 16%, we started the transmission, manual transmission at exactly 7:31 p.m. The first SD card transmitted was from the clustered percent number 1 of Barangay Agsao. And the last transmission was made at exactly 1:02 a.m. and that was the complete manual uploading of the 16 clustered percents of the municipality of Magdiwang. And for our winning candidates for the different positions, I would like to call in our Comelec representative, Ma'am Noreen Miliano.
Good morning, everyone. Kahit po nagkaroon tayo ng napakaraming problema sa machine, especially po yung poblasyon, we used 4 machines para lang ma-fit lahat ng official ballots. The first machine ay nag-malfunction, and then we have only two contingency BCM na standby. And when we use the first contingency machine, ay nag-malfunction pa rin. And then the second contingency machine ay hindi pumasok hindi nag-function yung I-button receptacle. And then we borrowed, nang natapos po yung isang precinct sa poblasyon, we borrowed the machine from the PIs borrowed the machine from the other precinct to feed the official ballots of the other precinct. So maraming salamat po laking pasalamat po namin sa Diyos, kasi kanina pa po ako tense, na-stress na ako, kaya lahat naging akong tiyan nga, daw hindi kami makatapos ang may police pagid kami ni makahalindiri para magdala ng results sa PBOC. So thanks God, natapos din namin mas earlier pa ngayon than 2013. Di po ba? So here comes the most awaited moment of today's May 9, 2016 national and local elections, the proclaiming of the winning candidates. So the first na ipuproklaim po natin ay yung winning mayor. So be ready, winners. Okay. Certificate of canvass of votes and proclamation of winning candidate for mayor for the May 9, 2016 national and local elections. We, the undersigned members of the Municipal Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 16 precincts for the candidates therein for mayor in the elections held on May 9, 2016. Attached to our informative part hereof is a statement of votes CEF number 20-A obtained by each candidate for the office of the mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Repizo de Misa of NP obtained 3,790 votes for the office of the mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. Palakpak naman kayo. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the city of Magdiwang, province of Romblon, May 10, 2016 at 1:25:06 a.m. Signed, Noreen Macaria M. Meñano, Election Officer 2, Chairman of the Municipal Board of Canvassers, Ma'am Abigail M. Crisostomo, Vice Chairman of the Municipal Board of Canvassers, and Member Secretary Ma'am Nelda D. Galmore. Congratulations, Ma'am. Next. Certificate of canvass of votes and proclamation of winning candidate for Vice Mayor. may I call on Sir Rocha? We, the undersigned members of the Municipal Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 16 precincts for the candidates therein for Vice Mayor in the elections held on May 9, 2016. Attached to and forming part hereof is a statement of votes, CF number 20-A, obtained by each candidate for the office of the Vice Mayor. That after such canvassing appears that Rocha Guillermo of NP obtained 3,708 votes for the office of Vice Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidate as the duly elected Vice Mayor, and witness whereof we have affixed our signatures and imprint our thumbmarks in the municipality of Mabingon, province of Romblon, this May 10, 2016, 1:35:06 a.m. Signed, Chairman Noreen Macario Emiliano, Vice Chairman Abigail M. Crisostomo, Member Secretary Lelda de Del Mor, Municipal Board of Canvassers. Congratulations, sir.